How to change your Riot account sign in username. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you if it's possible to change your Riot account sign in username. Sorry, your Riot account sign in username. So your username is what you use to log in into your account. Alright, so username and your password are those required information to be able to log in into your account. So if you want to change yours, the first step is to log in into your Riot games account, and then move to the top right corner where you can see my account option. Then click on settings in the drop down menu, and then you'll be taken to the account management page. On this page, you can see some options by the left side of the screen, which includes Riot ID, personal information, Riot account sign in. So just click on that. Then you'll be taken to the Riot account sign in tab, and then you can see your username. So to change your username now, the first thing you should do is to click on the username, right, and then a pencil icon will appear. For example, if you want to change your password, by the time you click on it, you would see that the cursor would appear, and then you can go ahead and change it, right? But for your username, that is not happening. That is because you cannot directly change your username yourself on your settings page or on your Riot account. Yeah, you cannot change it directly. The feature has not yet been added to Riot Games. So to change your username, the only option is to contact the customer support. There is no two way about it. And to contact the customer support, go to the top part of the screen here where you can see the support option next to shop and click on support. Then after clicking on support, you'll be brought to the Riot support page. On this page, you can now see different questions that you might have. All right, and articles have been provided to address those questions. So here you can see the option forgot username, forgot password, etc. So just go ahead and click on forgot username since you are trying to change your username, and then you can see your email will be displayed, and you can go ahead and input in your email and your username will be displayed. But since this option is that your username will be displayed and not changed, you can just go ahead, go to the lowest part of the screen just below forgot password, and then click on contact player support. All right, so after clicking on contact player support, you'll be brought back to this page. So on this page, you can just scroll down until you can see the option need more help, contact us, submit a ticket. So by clicking on submit a ticket, you will then be able to reach out directly to the customer support, and then answers will be provided automatically and solution will be given to you. So this is how to go about it. All right, this is how you can change your Riot your sign in account, your sign in username on your Riot Games account. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.